Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in movies you watch right inside the Telegram app. Whether you want to switch the movie's audio to another language or just change the subtitles, this quick guide will walk you through every step so you can get the most out of your Telegram movie experience, no matter what language you're most comfortable with. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is start playing the movie in the Telegram app itself. Now, this might sound simple, but make sure you've opened the actual video file and started playback. This is important because the language options only appear when the video is actively playing on the Telegram player. If you're just looking at a file preview or a download screen, you won't see the right controls. Next, go ahead and tap once on the movie screen. This brings up the video player's controls and extra options. Sometimes, these are hidden during casual watching to give you a nice full-screen experience, so a single tap reveals everything you need. The play and pause button, the timeline, and of course, all the settings that let you customize your viewing. If you've watched movies in other apps before, this will feel familiar. Once your controls are visible, keep an eye out for settings icon. Depending on your Telegram app version or the device you're using, this might look like a traditional gear, or you might see three little dots, either lined up vertically or horizontally. Sometimes the option looks like a small speech bubble or even says CC, which stands for closed captioning. You'll usually find these icons tucked into the corners of the player, either at the very top or the bottom, so take a second to scan around if you don't spot it immediately. And don't worry if you're not sure which is which, you can safely tap on these other icons and easily back out if they aren't what you need. Go ahead and tap on that relevant icon to open up the audio and subtitle menu. This is where Telegram gives you options for both the movie's spoken language, that's the audio, and any subtitles you might want to appear on the screen. Think of it like the menu you see in Netflix or YouTube. You get to choose exactly how you watch. Now in the menu that pops up, you'll usually see distinct sections labeled Audio and Subtitles. Under Audio, you'll find whatever language tracks are available for that movie. Just tap on your preferred language. For example, if you'd like to hear everything in English, select English or pick Hindi, Spanish, or whatever other options are listed. For subtitles, do exactly the same. Under the Subtitles section, look for your language and tap to activate it. If you don't want any subtitles at all, there's often an option to turn them off entirely. Keep in mind, not all Telegram movie files come with multiple languages or subtitles. That's completely up to what the uploader included, so if you only see one language, it just means that's all that's available for this particular film. Don't worry, just try with another movie if you need a different language, and that's it. You've just customized your Telegram movie to better match your language preferences. This can make a huge difference for enjoying foreign films, practicing a new language, or simply making the viewing experience more comfortable for anyone in your household. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I always do my best to respond and help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Happy watching!